Consider supporting the Sci-Fi Collective on Patreon from only $1 a month. Link below in the description.
Hello and welcome to another video from the Sci-Fi Collective. Now here we are taking a look at the new edition of the Star Trek Discovery official Starships collection from Eaglemoss, and this time round it is the Klingon Bird-Of-Prey. So let's have a look, see what we've got this month. So as per usual, we have got our glossy magazine discussing the new Klingon Bird-Of-Prey. I'm sure there's going to be something about concept art and design inside the magazine. So yeah, designing the Klingon Bird-Of-Prey, because it is a very different style of ship, though has remnants of what we have seen before within Trek. And then next issue we're going to be seeing the USS Europa. Okay, so also coming soon we've got the other ships as well. We've got 2, 4, 5 listed there coming, so that's what we've got to look forward to in the future. But let's take a look at the ship herself, and there we are. She looks actually really stunning. I like that. I like that a lot. Do you know what? I haven't been a huge fan of the new Klingon Bird-Of-Prey. However, looking at the model, I really enjoy that. That does look really, really cool. Okay, let's put her on a stand. And there we have her, the new Klingon Bird-Of-Prey. Now, as you can see, all of the detail here is absolutely really quite stunning. I'm a huge lover of the original Klingon Bird-Of-Prey. So it was sad to see it like a departure in Discovery away from that design. However, obviously we don't know whether we're going to see a return to that design now that they've jumped into an alternate universe. So we very well could see a very different Klingon Bird-Of-Prey in this season coming up, something that maybe we're more used to. But the actual design of this I really like. The finish on the model is absolutely lovely, and I just think they've done a really, really impressive job with the model. So yeah, no, really, really like it. You've been on top form this month. I'm glad that you took the extra time to do the Klingon Bird-Of-Prey, because obviously you managed to work all of it out very well, didn't you, Eaglemoss? So yeah, no, that's absolutely stunning. I'll leave a link in the section below if you want to pick up your Star Trek Discovery official Starships collection. But that is absolutely beautiful, absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. So until next time, if you would be so kind as to leave a like and remember to subscribe to the channel, it would be most appreciated. Kapla!